Hi guys, it's been a good 2 weeks since my last upload and I am so terribly sorry about that. Punctuality isn't my strong suit, but I'm definitely going to try to be a little more disciplined and a little more punctual with my uploads. So today's video is the first in the series called the Trend Alert series, and this is nothing but showcasing the current makeup trends or just lifestyle trends that are really popular at the moment. And the first trend that I want to bring to light is the blotted lip trend. If you're not familiar with the term and you don't know what it means, a blotted lipstick is nothing but a hybrid between a matte lipstick and a cream sheen lipstick. A blotted lip is a very lightweight and a pretty sheer formula that you can just put on the go when you're going to the mall, when you're in the car, the train. To give you a better idea, I'm going to share with you my current favorite blotted lipsticks that I think work across all skin tones and all occasions. So let's get started. The first blotted lipstick that I bought and that just made me crazy over this trend was the Sephora Wonderful Cushion Matte Lip Cream, and I have the shade number 5 called Wonderful Red. And this color is a rosy pink, which is why I think it will work on all skin tones, and this is a color that you can wear no matter the occasion, no matter what you're wearing. My second favorite blotted lipstick, and this is the one that I'm wearing right now, is from NYX, and this is their soft matte lip cream in the shade Amsterdam. Well, this is the OG liquid lipstick, right? I mean, if you still have this in your collection, you know what this was about. When you look at liquid lipsticks now, the NYX formula is very different from what you see now. But I feel like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream is the perfect blotted lipstick because the first layer you put on is quite sheer and you can always build it up and make it look like a regular liquid lipstick. But I think it also serves as a beautiful blotted lipstick. And currently I'm wearing about 2 layers of this lipstick, which is why it's so pigmented. But if you just put one thin layer on, it just looks like a flush of color on your lips, nothing too intense. And my third favorite blotted lipstick, and this is a traditional true blotted lipstick, and this is from Colourpop, and this is in the shade Bee's Knees. And this Colourpop blotted lip has to be my favorite of all of them. I mean, I still love my Sephora one, but this one has currently taken over my makeup pouch because it's the perfect formula to just wear on the go. You don't even have to touch up too much because it's quite long lasting. It definitely transfers, but if you need it to be comfortable, it will transfer, otherwise it can tend to be very drying on the lips. None of these are super drying. I had to reposition because the sun was playing shadow games with me. These were my 3 favorite blotted lipsticks, and you probably see a trend here. I just like these rosy pinks because I think it makes the face look very fresh and radiant, like you've just stepped out on a beautiful bright summer day. In spite of it, if you feel like you don't want to shell out money on another lip product, because how many can one really own and use, right? You can always try this trend with a regular lipstick as well, and I will show you exactly how. So just take a matte lipstick or even a cream lipstick, not too creamy, because once you blot it, you want some of that color to still remain on your lips and not just get blotted off on the tissue. To demo for you today, I'm going to be using a Sephora lipstick, and this is in the shade 00, and I think this is 527. This is not completely matte, more like a demi matte finish. It still has a little bit of sheen to it, but it's a very thick formula, so even if I blot it off, a lot of it still retains on my lips. So all you have to do is put on your lipstick like normal, take a tissue and just press your lips together and just dab off that excess, and what you're left with is the blotted lip. And if you still want it to be a little lighter, a little more sheer, blot it off again, and I think that will give you the desired result. It will still look like a blotted lipstick, feel like a blotted lipstick, and well, you're on trend. That is exactly what a blotted lipstick looks like. That was the first technique. You can also apply a blotted lipstick by just dabbing it on roughly on your lips and just taking your finger and smoothing it out on the entire lip and just spreading it across so that there's not too much color on your lips for you to blot off later. You can always just use your finger, but that gives you that same finish. It'll be a little more sheer than putting on the lipstick and then blotting it off if you prefer that. So just try it. It's a fun trend and it just looks really beautiful. Colourpop was probably the pioneer of blotted lipsticks, and they released a host of shades last year, but I feel like it's going to be even bigger this year with NYX coming out with their powder puff lippies, and I'm sure brands are going to come out with a lot of different versions of their blotted lipstick, so keep an eye out for that. If you know of any trend that's really big and popular at the moment and you want me to bring it to light, then do let me know know in the comments and I will make it for you. Thank you for being patient with me, and I will definitely try to give back a little more and a little more on time. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you again in my next video. Bye guys!